What's new, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be attempting a popular skincare routine I've seen all over YouTube. It's called dermaplaning, where you shave your face, to make your face smoother, get rid of facial hair. I think that's about two of the major reasons. So this is the first time I'll be attempting this, and I was able to do a bit of research before I decided to try this out. I'm going to need a few things. I have my face oil, and I'll be using coconut oil. Then I have my blade. This I got from a beauty supply store here in Lagos called Casabella. And then I have an exfoliating facial mask. This is tea tree facial gel scrub from Senti, and I decided to just add the mask since it's been a while I exfoliated my skin, face in particular. So I saw in one of the videos, one of the YouTubers here used warm water to steam her face, and I'm going to go ahead and boil my water. So I'm using hot water actually to steam my face. So I'll just do that for a few seconds to open up my pores and to make the hair on my face softer before I go in with my razor to start scraping. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a few drops of coconut oil and gently massage that into my face. This will also soften the hairs and reduce any bits of friction that will cause me to cut myself in this process. Pardon the speed of the video, guys. I actually took my time to do this. Believe me, you cannot not take your time to do this, but for the purpose of the video I had to speed it up to make sure everything fits into the time frame I was going for, which was 8 minutes. So yeah, after applying the oil to my face, I saturated my skin with this oil. I went ahead to grab my blade and start attempting what I saw on YouTube. So I went first with the side of my face, and I started gently scraping the hair from top to bottom. I was also using a mirror to see what I was doing, so I was scraping the hair as gently as I could to prevent any cut and also to avoid harming myself. If you have acne, this would actually be difficult to do, or if you have any bumps, if you have any skin cuts or anything. So I'm just trying this process out. I'm also going to be very vigilant and watchful to see if my skin reacts. I just have black spots on my face, but I don't have any bumps or any form of acne at all except the black spots. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and gently scrape my face, all over my face. I also did my chin and under my chin. Yeah, my chin. I skipped my sideburns, the little ones I had. I didn't want to take out all the hair I had on the sides. So I've heard that during this process, your hair would, some people say their hair grows back, but since it's the first time I'm doing this, I'm actually not one to say, since I don't really have a lot of hair on my face, for someone who actually has a lot of hair on my head, on my arms and on my legs. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and scrape and allow you guys watch this. By the time I got to my forehead, I was already seeing a difference, and believe me guys, my skin was so smooth after this. I was really gentle, and I was actually impressed by how smooth my skin was, because I know since I came to Lagos I've been struggling with the water. The water is quite harsh, so I've been struggling with the water, and my skin has suffered the most. So I was quite impressed to see how smooth my skin was under all this hair. So I went ahead, finished up under my chin, finished up my face, and did the entire thing. So this is all the hair I took out from my face, guys. Next, I simply dampened a kerchief and used that to wipe off the excess oil and the hair from my face. I dipped my kerchief in warm water to make it easier for me and to keep my pores open still. After that, I took some more coconut oil, massaged that into my face, and then once again I went in with my damp kerchief which I actually dipped in hot water this time, and then I used that to wipe off the oil once again. This was to get my face really clean and smooth before I started applying my mask. Onto the mask, this is what it looks like. It's the Ascenti Tea Tree Facial Gel Scrub. I've had this for about 6 months now. I bought it in I think Trebet superstores in Lekki. I've used it like twice, but since I'm not quite particular about skincare, it's just been in my cupboard. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and use this mask alongside the dermaplaning video tutorial thingy, and I applied that all over my face. The tube didn't say how long to leave it on for, but I left mine on for 15 minutes before mopping it off my face with a damp face towel or kerchief, which I used. So yeah, I'm going in with my damp kerchief to clean off the mask, and I would have rather washed my face, but the tube said to clean the mask off your face, not washing your face. So that's what I did here. I simply cleaned off the mask with a damp kerchief dampened by warm water, and then I was good to go. Guys, is this what it feels like to do skincare? I'm starting to think I should do this more often because my skin felt so much more pampered. And I know for the purpose of this video I was just focusing on my face, but I'll definitely be facing my whole body for skincare this year. So that's it, guys. The final step was to dry off my face a little bit, and then I went in my coconut oil one last time and gently massaged my face with it. I used it as the final moisturizer. Guys, I don't have much, nobody should come for me, so I used it as the final moisturizer and I was good to go. That'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like to see more skincare videos, especially for people that want to do the list, and I'll keep them coming. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.